Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Cash App card. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, using your phone number or your email address, you will be taken into the home page. If you have already logged in before, you might be asked to enter your 4-digit PIN. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page, from which, in order to change the name that you want to appear on your Cash App card, you will first of all need to change your cash tag. So tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then tap on Edit Profile. Now from the Edit Profile menu, you will find your cash tag option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired cash tag. After entering your desired cash tag, tap on the Set button and tap on Confirm. You only have a few number of times that you are allowed to edit your cash tag, so make sure you choose wisely. Now after you have changed your cash tag, you will be able to tap on the card option from the home page, which is the cash card menu. From here, tap on Get Free Cash Card and you will be asked to choose your design. Now you will be able to see that the name that you just set up as your Cash App tag will be included on the card design that you select. So just choose your design that you want, and you can also tap on Personalize or Edit in order to make any changes that you want to the design. Finally, tap on the Order Card button, and now the card that will be ordered for you will have the new cash tag or the name that you just set up. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change and edit your name on your Cash App card. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.